Many day traders get too caught up in the details of order flow. This situation puts you at a significantly higher risk of focusing on various structures that are contextually insignificant to your broader goals. Currently, we're seeing a broadening top pattern forming in the Nifty future. These broadening tops typically form at the end of extended bullish moves within the market. They're distinguished by the fact that they feature 5 swings that gradually drift further apart from one another as they swing. It is quite obvious that institutional investors and long-term traders from other time frames have already exited their positions in the market at this stage, and consequently, the price action is now moving in chaotic swings that are being driven almost entirely by the collective actions of the crowd of retail day traders. You should make it a priority to carefully analyze and evaluate order flow in these specific market conditions only when you find yourself facing particular price action scenarios that also happen to make perfect sense within the broader holistic context of the current trading environment.